Hello students, good morning everyone, and how are you? I hope students we are doing study at home. Student, in this lecture we are going to learn English grammar. Okay, in English grammar today we will learn the nouns, numbers. Okay, students, we know the nouns, numbers. There have the two types. Which one? Singular nouns and plural. So students, you can say, what is the singular? A nouns that denote one person, place, things is said to be a singular. Okay, singular means single. Means how many things will come here? One. And plural means what? A nouns denote the more than one person, place, thing is said to be the singular. Okay, more than one. Plural means what? More than one means two, three. Okay, singular means only one thing, one person, one place, one things. Okay, and singular, so plural means more than one. Now students, we will see the rules of the singulars and plurals. Okay, many times in a question, in an exam, we every time come this type questions, we have to singulars what in a plural, otherwise plural is given, we have to make in a singular. Okay, now we will see the rules. It is when you want to make the singular into the plurals, generally we use the s. Okay, what we use generally? S. Just we put the here yes means it's converted in a plural. Now here I have the pencil. Here not have the any s means it is a single pencil. Okay, then I have written here s. So pencils means how many pencil? Many pencil. Okay, singular pencil and plural pencils. Okay students, now here not have the s means girl. How many girls? One. When I put here s, so it will many girls. Okay, girls means many. Generally when you use the s. Okay, when we want to convert in a plural. Fan, if is one fan, here I put the joint s means fans means many fans. Room means one room, and if you want to make in a plural, so room plural form rooms. Okay, only we have to join the s. Okay students, cat, one cat, and then plurals just join the s. Cats means many. Chair, many chairs means how many? One chair. And plural, what is the form of chair? Chairs. Just only use s. I hope students you understood the one rules. Okay, how to make the singular to plural. Mostly we use the s. Okay, but every time we can't use the s. Every time we can't join the s. Okay, some others first like when last letter sh, s, ss, ch, x, z. This time last letter will come. That time we have to use es. What student? Es. Like a push. Okay, what is the last letter here? Sh. Means what you will write here? Bushes. What you will write here? Es. Write these words and join es. Okay students, when last letter will come, sh, s, double s, ch, x and z. Students, you have to remind this letter. Okay, when this letter came last of the words, okay, that time we have to use the es. Now next one, bus. Okay, what is the last letter here? S. So what do we write here? Bus, buses. What do we write here? Yes, buses. Okay. Now church. What is the last letter? CH. Okay. Last letter CH. So what do we write? Church. What will we write here? Yes. Okay. I hope students you understood. Now next word is cross. Last letter is double S. When last letter is double S, that time we will join the es. Okay. This. Okay, students. I hope understood these two rules. When last letter end of the words, when will come sh, s, double s, ch, x, z. That time we have to use the es. This word is not there. That time we will use the you will join s. Now next letter. When last letter is y. Okay. When last letter is y, so what we will do? Okay. There have the two words. Consonant before y. Okay. Last letter everywhere here y. Here also y. So what will do? Before is a consonant and before vowels. Students already we learn the vowels. You can say the which is the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. This is the 5 vowels. Okay, students. And except these 5 vowels, others means in a letters. How many letters? 26. Okay, and 5 is the vowels, and remaining 21s. 21's letter are consonant. Okay, when consonant before y have the consonant, so we have to convert y in a I and we have to join es. What student? Es. Now baby. So before y, which is there? B words. Okay. B is the consonant. B is consonant. So we have to join es. What only? Es. Okay. B A B. But that y we have to convert in a I. Okay. Remove this I. Okay. Remove this one, then join I, then es. I hope students you understood. Okay, here have the lady. Last letter is y. Y before have the D. D is the consonant. Okay, so y we will remove and there we will write res. Y will convert in a I and then es. Okay, now here also candy. Y last letter is y and before y have the D, means y convert in a I and then es, candies. Okay, now city. Last letter is y, before y have the consonant means T. Then we have to write y convert in a I, then join es. Okay, students. Now copy y. Last letter is y. Before y have the P. P is a consonant. So P I double P. Y convert in a I, then write es. Copies. Okay. I hope students you understood. When last letter is y and before is the consonant letter. So what we do? Y convert in I and then join es. Okay, students. Follow these rules. It is very easy to make the singulars in a plural. Okay, now next one. Vowels before y. Okay, when before y have the vowels, that time we have to join only s. Don't do anything. Don't remove the y. Don't convert in a I. Just only put y. Okay. Now boys. What will do? See, last letter is a y and before is the vowels. O is the vowel. O is the vowel. So just we will join s. Okay, student. Just we will join s. Last letter is y and before y have the o. O is the vowel. So just we will join s. Okay, student. Now K. Last letter is y. Before y have the vowels e. E is the vowel. So just we will join s. Understood, students? Now you can say next one. last letter red. Last letter is Y, and before Y have the vowels A. A is a vowel. So what we do? Just join S. Okay, students. Now monkey. Okay. Last letter Y. See student properly. Last letter Y. Before Y have the E. E is the vowel. So just we join S. I hope students you understood. Before Y have the vowels and consonant. Before Y have the consonant. That times Y we will convert in R and join ES. And before Y have the vowels, that time you just join S. I hope students you understood this one. Now student we will move the next rules. Last letter F and FE. Okay. When last, how is here? Last letter F, Y, S, H, C, F. So same this type. When last letter F, otherwise FE, so what we do? Join VES. What we have to join? VES. And we have to remove the FE. Now here first word is Y. Okay, last letter which one here student? FE. So FE is here. When FE is last letter, so what we will do? Join VES. So remove this FE. Y WIVES. Okay, wives. Okay. Now life. Last letter is FE. Okay. So remove this FE. Write LIVES. Lives. Okay, students. Now next. Here also last word is FE. What do we do? ANI. FE is this word. Remove these words and write VES. Okay. Names. Scarf. Here also have the last word is the F. So this F also remove, then write VES. I hope students you understood. It is very easy. Wolf. Last letter is the F. So what we will do? Cut F and what we will write there? WOLVES. Okay. Here again we will not write F. I hope students you understood the fourth rule. When last letter is F, otherwise FE. So remove the F and FE and write there VES. VS we have to join. Okay. F and E we will convert in a V and we will join ES. Okay, students. Now next rules. Last letter O. So what we will do? This student last letter is O. When last letter is O, so just we will join S. When last letter is O, just we will join S. Now studio. So studio, what is the plural of studio? Studios. Only join S. Photos, one photo and plural. Last letter is O. So just we will join S. Photos. But some exceptions of words. Okay. Here also last word is the O. But we will join S. No. Some word is the means we cannot apply the same rules on these words. Okay, now potato. Potato have the last word O, but we will not join the S. What we have to join? ES. Okay, potatoes, ES. Tomato, tomatoes, we will join ES. Okay, student, this is exception words. You have to keep the remembers. Okay, hero, heroes. Okay. Now student, see next one. Middle letter double O. If in middles have the double O, so what we will do? In a middles have the double O, we will remove this double O and then we will join. Then we put double E, like food. So what we will do? Double O, in that place what we will write? Double E. Food, feed. Okay. Tooth. In middle have double O. So what we will write? Now students, we will see the next one. Okay. What is our next one? Both forms are same, but some words, some words are the same. Means in a singular also we are writing same, and in their plural also same. Okay. Now see dear. In a plural also we say dear. In a singular also we say dears, and in a plural also we say dear. Okay. So students, we can't apply the same rule in these words. So you have to keep remember this word. Okay. Sheep. Okay. Sheep. SHEEP. Not the SHIP. Okay. Double E. SHEEP. Okay. Sheep is there that time. In singular also sheep, and in a plural also sheep. We are not joining here yes, otherwise yes. Okay. Wood. In singular also in a wood we say, and in a plural also wood. Fish also same. In singular also fish, and in a plural also fish. Otherwise students will be confused. Last letter is SH, so you will join SH. No students, it will be wrong. So fish, and in plural also same fish. Okay. Then police. Singular, if one person is police, we will say police. Many police, then also we will say only police. I hope students you understood. Okay, these seven words these seven words is a plural also and the singular also. Now students, we will see the next rule. What is the next rule? Always use as plural. Means some words are always we use always plurals. They cannot have the similars. Means trouser. Okay. We not say the trouser. We say trousers. Okay. These words always come in a plural. Okay. Now jeans. We not say jean. We say jeans. Okay. Means some word is we have to use only plural. Okay. Sunglasses. Okay. Then spectaculars. Okay. These words we have to use as a plural only. I hope students you understood. Now students, we will see next form. Okay. We have regulars, irregular nouns. Irregular nouns mean students we saw the some rules. Okay, when we have to join es, s. Okay, but some nouns is irregular. Means we can't apply this rule on these names. Okay. For example, man is singular, their plural is men. Okay. Woman is singular, their plural is women. Okay. Here we will not join s, es. Okay. gs. Okay. Because this is the irregular nouns, we have to keep remember this word. Okay. You have to hide this word. Child. One child, and thus plural is children. Understood, children? One child and there are many children. One mouse, many mice. Okay? And one person, their plural is people. Okay, students, singular person and their plural is people. And last one, ox, and their plural is oxen. There we will join ens. Students, keep remember. Okay? I hope students you understood this all rules. Again, in a short we will revise these nouns. Okay, nouns have the singulars and plurals. Singulars means one and plurals means more than once. Okay, when you want to make the plural, okay, singular to plural, when you want to, that is generally we use s. Okay, when last letter have the s, s, double s, ch, x, z. When this type words have, that time we join the es. Okay. For example, bush. Last letter is sh. Okay. So that's why we join here es. I hope students you understood. Now next rules. Last letter is Y. There also have two condition. If before Y have the consonant, that times Y we have to convert in a I. Then we have to join ES. Okay. And before Y have the vowel, just we will join S. We will not convert Y in a I. Just we will join S. Understood? For example, baby. Last word, last letter is Y. Before Y have the B. B means consonant. So that's why Y we convert in I. Then join ES. Okay? Boy. Last letter is Y. But before Y have the vowels. O is a vowel. So just we join S. I hope students you understood. Now next one. Last letter F or FE. When last letter is F or otherwise FE, we will remove this one. Then we will join VES. Okay. For example, like LIFE. Last letter is FE. So we will remove these words and we will join their VES. Okay. FE convert in a V and join ES. Okay. Now when last letter O. So what we will do? When last letter is O, that time just we join only S. Studio, studios. Photo, photos. But students, some word is exception. There, for that word we can't apply these rules. Okay, like potato, potatoes. We have to join ES. Tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. Okay. When middles letter have the double O, so double O have, so what we will do? Double O we have to convert in a double E. Okay, like FOOT, food. In a double O is there, right there, double E. Okay, this is very easy, student. Okay, food, feed, tooth, teeth, goose, geese. Okay, now next one. Both forms are same. Means in a singular also same and in a plural also same. Means we say the deer in a singular also, in plural also we say deer, sheep, wood, fish and police. Okay students. Now next one, always use as a plural. Some words we use directly plural. They will not have the singular form. Okay. Like trousers, jeans, sunglasses, spectacles. Okay, this is the plural form. And some students are irregular forms. Means these rules we cannot apply while making the plurals. Students, we have to remember these words. Okay, man, man, woman, woman, women's, child, children. Okay, mouse, mice, person, people, ox and oxen. Okay, I hope students you understood the singular plural how to make. Okay, I hope students you understood. You will revise again. Okay, and you will do study at home. Thank you.